Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to fix a Roblox error 279. If you're playing the game and it shows the error 279 due to which you're not able to connect to server or any other way, I'll show you how you can go with that issue. So first you have to log into your Roblox account and make sure your internet is working because sometimes this is the issue related to internet. So you make sure you're connected to a stable internet, and after that you have to go to the browser and there you have to search for Roblox status. Once you search for it you will get different results, but make sure you go that has the logo of the Roblox. So what it will do, it will show you your account status. If there's any issue it will label it, so you will get to know what is the issue, so you will fix that one. So if it shows that everything is all right, there is no issue, that means we have no issue. But if it shows, that means there's an issue that you have to fix. The other thing you have to do is you have to uninstall a Roblox and reinstall it. So for that, go to settings, go to apps, and then you have to go to the installed apps. And in the install apps, you have to look for the Roblox player. Once you have it, simply uninstall it. And once it get uninstalled, then you have to go back to its website, which is roblox.com. Go there to get it download. You can open any game, and once you go and try to play, it will look for the player in your system. But if you don't have it, it will show you the option to download it. So you can just simply download from there. You will have to just wait for a while. Once the downloading gets done, then the installation process will start. The installation will just again take while, like a minute or maybe two. Once it gets done, it will install and then you have to open it, and this time you will see the issue will be resolved, because the issue could be related to your Wi-Fi that we have checked before, or maybe the installation. So if you reinstall it, that means the issue has been resolved and you're good to go to play the game. So I hope you find this video helpful and informative. Make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates. You can leave a like, comment. If you have any queries, feel free to ask. Thank you so much for watching the video.